Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to slow down a video on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to slow-mo a video on Snapchat, you can not only shoot a slow-mo videos from your device, but you can also edit your videos to have a slowed down effect after you've shot them. Start by opening Snapchat application from your app drawer and then go ahead and record a video you want to use the slow motion effect on by simply tapping on this shutter icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you record your video, from the video preview page, simply swipe across your page and choose from the filter and keep swiping until you reach this feature with the snail icon. Select this filter to apply the slow motion effect on one of your video. After the video has been slowed down, tap on the send to button to send it to one of your friends at the bottom right, or you can simply post the slow motion video on your story by tapping on the story icon. That is how you can use the slow motion feature on Snapchat and slow down a video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.